This is the elevator at the Weir Ketler Technological Learning Center at Grove City College in Grove City, Pennsylvania. This is a 1980s Schindler Haughton elevator. Up to upper level. This upper level, I don't think there's really much up there. I think it's just an entrance. I think most of the building is on the lower level. Here we go up. No indicator. Very simple elevator. Here at upper level, it has more pre-door classic leveling on the lower level. Up here. Back down to the lower level. ADA phone. There is no door on the phone box. Door's missing. It's a basic Schindler Haughton Faker grain cab, laminate cab. The ceiling's a bit stained with these older ceilings here back at the lower level. There's your classic leveling. Very close, and that's going to be it.